Hello, Prim.4. Today we talk about lesson 3, the cell. What is the meaning of cell? It is the building unit of living organism's body. So, the small building unit in living organism's body called cell. The cell can carry out all the biological function. What is the meaning of biological function? Such as like nutrition, motion, sensation, growth, and reproduction. All this function called biological function. So the cell is the unit of structure and function in living organisms. The group of cells or the similar cells working together from the job and forming tissue. A group of tissue that working together and forming an organ. A group of organs that working together and forming system. Group of systems like circulatory system, respiratory system, forming body. Again, group of cells forming tissue, group of tissues forming organ like heart, liver, skin, group of organs forming system, group of systems forming body. We have two types of cell, animal cell, plant cell. In both animal and plant cell, we find the same part. Number one called cell membrane. Number two called cytoplasm. Number three, nucleus. Number four, vacuoles. In plant cell only, we find the special part like cell wall, and chloroplast. Now, what is the function of this part? Number one, cell membrane or plasma membrane. It is the outer membrane of the animal cell, like door. And what is the function of cell membrane? It is control the substances that enter or leave the cell. Number two, part number two, cytoplasm. It is the fluid or liquid that fills the cell. And what is the function of cytoplasm? All the biological operation of the cell happens in it. Number three, nucleus. It is a large and round structure found in the center of the cell. And what is the function of nucleus? Responsible for cell division. Again, what is the function of nucleus? It is responsible for cell division. In plant cell only, we found cell wall and chloroplast. Cell wall, it is an additional outer covering around the outside of the cell. What is the function of cell wall? It is supports the plant cell and gives the definite shape. Definite mean constant, mean not change. Number two, chloroplast. A chloroplast is the green structure where the energy from sunlight and produce the food by photosynthesis process. So the chloroplast get sunlight and make own food by photosynthesis process. Now, what's the difference between plant cell and animal cell? Plant cell contains chloroplasts to make food during photosynthesis. Animal cell don't contain chloroplasts. Plant cell have cell wall. Animal cell don't have cell wall. All living organisms, we have two types of living organisms: unicellular and multicellular. Uni means one, multi means many. So Unicellular, it is made of single cell that carries out all the life process. Multicellular, it is made of more than one cell, like frog, trees, and you. Unicellular organisms like fungus. This is the structure of yeast fungus: nucleus, cytoplasm, cell wall, and vacuole. So, unicellular living organisms made up of only one cell, just only one cell, and cannot be seen by naked eye. We must be use the microscope. We can see this under microscope, and can do all biological function. And unicellular organisms, we have harmful and useful. Harmful like bacteria, useful like yeast fungus, which use in making bread and alcohol.